going on? Back at it again in Dad's garage.
Yep, we're working on Project Nopar, and got a table full of freshened up parts, painted, and bushings pressed in. And if you saw the end of last episode, we broke Andrew's press. Mistakes were made with the press today. I don't know, can you guys see?
Listen, we gotta get to the side.
Oh yeah. She's a little bent. Yeah. Maybe we'll add a clip of that.
But it's cool because we went to our favorite store, Harbor McFreight-Town, I believe. I'm pretty sure.
Harbor McFreight-Town.
And we bought a new 20-ton shop press, and we got it all done and figured out. But finish that up, and hopefully you're going to see us bolt up to some suspension parts by the end of this video, and maybe we'll have this bad beast on the ground.
Oh man, for the first time in years. Excited, Dad?
Absolutely.
Rock and roll. Okay, so you probably just saw a time lapse, or maybe you're seeing a time lapse right now of how much of a tremendous pain in the rear end it was to get these little boots, cups, things that go on the back of the torsion bar to, I don't know, keep the grease in there. I don't know. This is like 1970s stuff. I've never seen this before. Anyway, we have these sweet Hotchkins. Do you see that? Hotchkins something or other torsion bars, and they're beefy. And if we finally got this thing on here, you have to slide over this hex end, and now I think we're finally ready to try to actually assemble some stuff. We cheated and did the other side first to hopefully make it go easily, and then you actually saw round 2 with this thing, so clearly we didn't learn much, so wish us luck. Hopefully it goes smoothly.
deep in there is it?
It's pretty deep.
Ready?
Yeah. Just use your, yeah, there you go.
Felt like it went right in.
Nice.
Yep. That's it. This is exciting.
Good. Whew! Another awesome day. As always, it got away from us. It wasn't as easy as we thought. We thought we were just bolting some parts together, but it's never that easy. It didn't really blow up too much. I mean, it was okay. Our buddy Jim stopped by. Camera Shy Jim is here, so thanks Jim as always for giving us pointers. But yeah, we've got front suspension. I know we mentioned hoping to get it on the ground today, but we, as you can see, don't have rotors, and I didn't know this, but I guess the wheel studs were in the rotors back in the Stone Ages. So yeah, we don't have wheel studs, so can't put wheels on it and put it on the ground. But it's got upgraded beefy torsion bars, which you saw us wrestle with, and new ball joints everywhere, refreshed parts, spindles on whatever these are called, strut rods, traction bar, strut, something's on. Both control arms are on. She's ready to go, so she needs rotors, and we have some steering parts, but we didn't get to it tonight, so. Steering parts and rotors, and this thing's pretty much a roller.
Absolutely.
And that's really exciting. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you are still excited about the project. Let us know everything we did wrong down below. Hopefully we'll fix it. Or we'll just screw up whatever you said, just like we screwed up the first time. So thanks, and we'll catch you in the next one.
It has been a blast. We appreciate you watching.
Yes, as always. And if you want to support the channel, feel free to give us a subscribe.
Right here.
And if you want to see more of the project we worked on today,
Move it over here.
and if you want to see any of the other ill-guided automotive antics on the channel,
Click his gut.
or potentially here.
Right over space.
Thank you guys as always for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one.